Hello, everybody. We are two.
We are two speakers here. Hello.
Hello, nice to see you.
Many greetings from Prague, from the Czech Republic, from the Czech ITI Center. Many thanks to Egypt for mentioning the Prague Quadrennial, which takes place in Prague, and it's a great and brilliant exhibition and worldwide meeting. So many thanks. We are so pleased to be part of this big and international ITI community right now. It's excellent that we can be part of this big gathering. And we will just mention some short information about the Czech ITI Center. Some of you know that it's an umbrella organization for performing arts in the Czech Republic. And some of you visited lately our capital, Prague, 2 years ago when we celebrated the 70th anniversary of ITI. Probably many of you know as well that Prague is a nest for international organization, because not only ITI, but also UNIMA, ASITESH, and OISTAT was founded in Prague. But here you can see some photos which are 2 years old. And well, our main mission is to unite professional theater, dance, and new circus organizations, and to stand for better conditions in the field of performing arts. This is done by the Czech ITI Center, but this center collaborates very intensively also with the Arts and Theater Institute in Prague as a state organization established by the Ministry of Culture. But Czech ITI Center is an independent, non-governmental organization. And one of the members of the ITI, Czech ITI Center Council, Marie Kinsky, will tell you more how our organization operates. Marie is director of the CESTA Choreographic Development Center, director of the Correspondence International Dance Festival, and president of the Vision of Dance Czech Republic. So it's your floor, Marie.
Thank you very much, Martina. And Martina didn't present herself, but she's the General Secretary of our organization. And I must thank her very much, because she keeps organization in the link that was founded at the very beginning. Why ITI? Why defend democracy thanks to performing art? Why Prague? And all this. Why creating ITI in Prague in this time, which were so complicated between two totalitarian regimes, between East and West, center of Europe, very big symbol. And this fight to keep the free voice for performing art is still alive. And a big thanks to Martina, who is putting that together and moderating our network, because here it's more about networking. Before really speaking about what we are doing, just a little welcome to our country. And through the window, I try to show you a bit of the architecture. You can see if you come here. And as you see, I'm not in the capital city, I'm in the region, and ITI here is really gathering organization from all over the country. What is the field of expertise of the Czech ITI Center? We are mainly focusing in advocacy for needs and interests of the performing arts. And I must say that this year the activities were really, really intense. And I might say that step by step, there's a lot of things which have been done to help the field to survive the COVID situation. And It's a big step forward in a dialogue also between all the organizations that we are representing. So all the activities a lot of members are doing now are done by the members of the Czech ITI Center. And what we are trying to keep the dialogue to speak everyone from the same voice. Field of expertise, not only dialogue between all the members, it's also informations toward the society. So it's about information about the field, what is the field doing, why the field is important for the society. So through conferences and so on. And of course, we are international. We're not speaking only the voice of the nation, but we are keeping the international relationships with other organizations. Prague has to be international. Czech Republic has to be international. Yes, and I now give just a little numbers. So we are the head of 12 professional organizations in the field of public theater, independent companies and venues. So production teams also, makers, dancers, actors, puppeteers, circus artists, theater makers for young audience, set designer, architect, critics, and so on. So you see also that the two other big organizations, worldwide organizations that have been created in Prague are still alive here in the Czech Republic, and we are together. 12 professional organizations, 2 performing arts academies, one in Prague, 1 in region, so really international, and 3 individual members who are already representing a solid network in the Czech Republic and abroad. So solid team. And I give back the word to Martina. And thank you for your attention.
So just to mention what do we do very briefly, of course, we are part of the World Theatre Day and International Dance Day celebrations. We translate the messages and we distribute it among Czech culture organizations and to the general public. But our main field of the activities is culture advocacy. As Mali mentioned a while ago, this year it was crucial and very important how to keep the performing arts sector alive due to all the anti-pandemic measures. So we organized many meetings, consultations, and established dialogue between artists, performing arts experts, state administrators, and politicians. And we consulted many of the programs which helped performing arts in our country to survive. Especially the freelance artists field is very vulnerable in this situation. So this was the main activity of this year. And probably we will continue this activity, unfortunately, also next year, because we all know what is the situation worldwide. So that's briefly from Prague, from the Czech ITI Center. I give back to the moderators, and I'm looking forward to the debates and the continuation of this meeting.